Welcome to machine learning introduction part 2. In this video we will discuss the definition of machine learning. There is no exact definition for this machine learning, but I will give according to my knowledge. Okay, let us any task or else any application, if it improves its performance through some training examples, if it improves its performance, then that is nothing but a machine learning application. I will repeat the definition once again. If any task, if it improves its performance through some training, then that is nothing but machine learning. Now I will explain in detail with example. For example, take chess game. In 90s there is a chess game application is there. Okay, at that time there is no machine learning concept. They developed one application, that is chess game. If we play the game with that oldest version of chess game, sometimes we users may win the game, or else system will win the game. If they, for example, if I am having good knowledge in chess, then automatically I will win the match with the system. Okay, that is a past one. After completion of this latest machine learning, by using this machine learning technology, the upcoming chess games are developing by using this machine learning concept. Now I will explain in detail how a machine learning application will work. For example, I will develop a application for the chess game. Okay, now with the machine learning features. Now after, for example, I developed a chess game application with a machine learning concept. Now I will play the game with that particular chess game. Okay, that application will consider the first game as a training. Then after, another person will play the game with some another person. Again, the application may win the game or else lose the game, but it will gain some another additional experience. If several people will play the game with the same game, whatever the application was developed by using this machine learning, it will collect all the knowledge, and in future it will apply the same knowledge with the players. Now that means the application whatever we developed chess game, it is improving its knowledge. Okay, this is the main concept of machine learning. Okay, here two factors are there. What is acquiring the knowledge and make use the prior knowledge. These two are very important terms to better understand the machine learning. One is acquiring the knowledge and make use the prior knowledge. Okay, for example, I have taken the chess game example. It will improve its performance by in its day-to-day training, and it improves its performance. One day you won't be able to defeat that game, because whatever the latest chess game is there, it is improving its performance because of machine learning. This is a best example. Okay, I think you may understand this concept.